This is my second augmented reality homework, focused on visual coherence. So I am focusing on, in this project and future ones, I think I'll focus on this as well, of augmenting my personal website, I think to add some interesting features. So the main thing that we'll be working with here is this, my profile picture image is an image target, and it has this virtual movie screen attached to it, this video player, and it plays the videos from my virtual reality engineering class last semester, and yeah, so we can play, and we can
travel agency. My name.
It's pretty choppy. It's not.
We've got a couple different
as choppy. When not using the screen recording, it is a little bit better, but there is some chop, especially for this one feature I'll show you later. So the first model I'm using is this TV remote. So when you have this in view, you can get some more features added. Let me try to make this a little bit easier. But so this remote, you can play.
Let's make sure
we'll play again some choppiness. You can pause. You can go next. Episode 2, virtual interactions.
Now our VR test subject seems to have.
Yeah, and so you can cycle through them this way.
So here is a compound collider on
looks like the play did not update properly there.
Bookcase for each of the shelves, sides.
What I like about this is this was pretty fun to implement. Oh, we'll see the occlude in here, which is pretty good. The model I'm using isn't perfect. It's not perfectly shaped for this, especially because the width of this or the depth of the remote is a little variable throughout it. You can see it's thicker on the base. But this was fun to implement because the video player kind of has its own set of like functions to it, and then the remote just plugs into those. So it's it was fun to code because the remote in a way is acting like a real remote of like accessing the built-in play, pause, next, previous functions that are in the video player itself and not the remote. So that was kind of fun
and then
to figure out. So we'll play it, and then the other object that has a phantom with it is this mug, which you'll notice when you got your coffee in front, your brain can go faster, so it speeds up the video playback to 1.5.
Well, our
as opposed to 1, and this gets definitely more choppy. It's a little bit less so when I'm not screen recording, but there is definitely some added choppiness when the playback speed increases. And this mug tracks pretty well.
Put that on the shelf. Nice.
Okay. The stem is not perfect, but it is pretty good, as you can see. And now I'm blocking kind of the whole image target, but yeah. As I said, pretty choppy. So I'd like this to be better, but
make sure that light bulb doesn't fall.
We'll see.
Okay.